Hello, Prince William County Schools. I am Loree Williams, proud school board representative for the Woodbridge District. It is with great pride that I share several exciting updates impacting the Woodbridge District, with each one representing our commitment to expanding access, opportunity, and equity for all students. First, I want to thank the dedication of our educators, the support of our community, and the vision of our school leaders, collectively contributing to thriving futures in Woodbridge. This year, local elected officials joined our school board and Superintendent Dr. LaTanya D. McDade for a special rising ceremony to celebrate the construction of the new Woodbridge Area Elementary School. This elementary school will be the first new school for the Woodbridge District in 22 years, since the construction of Freedom High School in 2004. And I cannot be more excited for what this means for our deserving students. The state-of-the-art facility is scheduled to open for the 26-27 school year, and it will be located at the corner of Route 1 and Prince William Parkway near Lynn Middle School. The $60 million, three-story school will feature modern, open-concept learning spaces, high ceilings, and a design that supports both innovation and sustainability for about 775 students. The new school is being constructed to achieve a LEED Silver certification, an ENERGY STAR rating, reflecting our ongoing commitment to environmentally responsible school design. In addition to this new construction, I am excited to share that Lynn Middle School is on its way to major renovations. This project includes a new main entrance, clinic, and reconfigured administrative suite. On the left side of the school, a new library and classroom addition will be constructed. Additionally, the existing building will receive a comprehensive renovation, including updates to the HVAC system, power, and data infrastructure. All windows will be replaced, and a new roof will be installed, with a projected completion date in the 27-28 school year. We are continuing to deliver high-quality learning environment for students in the Woodbridge community. I want to take a moment to highlight the exciting new opportunity for students at Freedom High School this fall. Freedom launched a pharmacy technician program, a 4-year career and technical education pathway designed to prepare students for future careers in the pharmaceutical field. Through hands-on learning in hospital and retail pharmacy settings, students will learn the skills necessary to thrive in a high-demand career field. This program fulfills the Board of Pharmacy requirements and positions our students for post-secondary certification and success. Finally, as a parting word, I encourage our community to get engaged in the growing world of robotics in Prince William County Public Schools. We have so many opportunities to get involved. And why should our students and staff have all the fun? Volunteer, invest, or support your school's robotics team as they meet cutting-edge industry challenges and prepare for the worldwide competition season. Woodbridge District's future is bright because of the work we accomplished together. Let's continue working towards the shared vision of excellence that defines our community.